Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. This video, I'm going to highlight on icon sets still under conditional formatting. So we were looking into icon set, right? So the icon set is going to highlight the cell on numerical value with a various of symbol such as arrow or spotlight colors, right? So the symbol will be categorized, will be segregated by highest value, lowest value, and a middle value, right? So let's highlight brand A for using this data: monthly hand sanitizer sold by brand. So I just click on conditional formatting and go find icon set. So by default, Excel is already provide us some suggestion, right? By using directional icon, shape icons, right? And then indicator icon, rating icons, right? So let's look at the first suggestion by using direct three arrows. So in this arrow, it will show us when the value is smaller, it will show and go downwards arrow. If the value is higher, it's going to show an upwards arrow, right? And when the value is in the middle, it will show left or right arrow, right? So but of course, by using the by default indicator or icon set provided by Excel, it means that we don't know what is the specific rule that Excel use. So if you want to create your own rule, so you just highlight, let's say I am highlighting brand B. So I just go to icon set and click on more rules. Let's say I want to use circle icon, right? Circle icon, and then what I want to do is I want Excel to put green circle for the number of items sold more than 750. When the item is less than 750 to 500, it should put a yellow circle. When the item sold is less than 500, it should put a red circle. So what I need to do is to change the type of percent. This one by default is percentage, and then I can if you click here, it will show a drop down whether you can find number, percent, formula, or percentile. Let me choose number for both arrows. So what does it means here? When we want, when the value is less than 750, we want Excel to show a yellow color. So let's put 750, right? So means that when less than 750 and below, it will shows a yellow color. When the number is more than 750, it will show a green color. And then when the value is less than 500, we want Excel to show a red color, right? So then we click OK, and then we can see here when the number is less than 500, it will show a red icon color. When the number is greater than 750, it will show a green color. When the number between 500 to 750, it will show a yellow color. So of course you can use others icon that suit to your data visualization. Let's say I'm going to use an indicator symbol, right? So for indicator symbol, I just change to indicator, right? So same concept. I change to from type percentage to number. This is 750 and this is 500, right? So I click OK, it will show us the icon, right? So from here we can make easy or fast decision on making on certain business analytics punya let's say this decision lah. So I think that's all for icon set application in Microsoft Excel using conditional formatting. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.